It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 3-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.